So remember, the idea with my garden landscape is to be doing it on a complete budget. And therefore, if I've already got the slabs, I'm going to use them. But I do want these to be circular. So if I take this piece of wood, I've already drilled a hole here. And if I drill a tiny hole in the centre of this slab, and I poke a small drill bit into the hole, I've then got my centre, and I can swivel this piece of wood round on its anchored centre with a sort of a holding a mark at the other end. I'll get a complete circle. I just came up with that because I basically can't find anything like a dustbin lid or something like that that I could mark around. So that's the answer. Yeah, so it's a bit tricky, but I've got my marker here. That in the hole. Just a matter of holding it a bit steady. At the end of the day, it does the job. I cut myself the hole in the ground to set it in. If I just mark that, ground's hard. Oh, blooming heck. Hard and stony this is. Glasses are going to fall off my head in a minute. Now again, I've got this last of this postcrete, so we'll put it on there. Doesn't have to be sand. It's best if you can drop it down flat rather than putting one edge down, but it can be very awkward. We've got it in one. We've got it in one.